Hi, Tim Ruef here. So you're an MD, maybe you're in academic medicine or in private practice and thinking about a career in the pharmaceutical or biotech industry. So what's it like anyway? What really goes on? And is it the right thing for you? What does a normal day look like? Let's take a look at those questions in this brief video. Now, we'll assume for purposes of this example today that you're interested in a position in clinical development. So, work on project teams will take up a good deal of your time. There are many things to deal with. You'll be fielding questions from an investigator, since as the clinical representative of the project team, you'll be the primary contact with investigators. You could be simultaneously preparing a presentation for your boss or for a project team meeting. And depending on the stage of the product, you may be asked to attend an investigator meeting soon after you begin. In this case, you'll likely need to make a presentation to the meeting of investigators about the product and help manage the training and the question and answer and so forth. You'll likely get involved in regulatory affairs questions early on and be in contact with your regulatory affairs representative often about questions from the FDA. If you work in global development or for a company headquartered in Europe, you'll find yourself in many meetings or in phone calls earlier than your colleagues in the morning due to the time zone difference. You'll also find yourself working with all of those on the project team, whether in pharmacovigilance or formulations or translational medicine or operations, maybe even discovery or manufacturing or marketing, depending on the development stage of the product. You'll also find yourself in contact with medical affairs. Now, this is the medical team that works on marketed products and the team that gets involved about 2 years before the launch of the new product. They'll design and conduct phase 4 trials, and as such, be in close contact with you regarding details of the phase 3 filing studies. You'll also find yourself going to most medical meetings within your areas of expertise. You'll visit with investigators at their institutions. You'll also become involved with key opinion leaders for your product, both in the US and around the world. You'll likely also play a key role in the conduct and perhaps even formulation of the Medical Advisory Board, which is a group of top experts from around the country, around the world, who will advise your medical department on aspects of the clinical trial strategy, design, FDA issues, and so forth. There's much more, but hopefully this will give you a snapshot into a day in the life of a new clinical development director. If you found this helpful, please click on the button below and we'll keep you posted regarding upcoming videos. See you next time.